Java, a boilerplate driven language designed for written verbose, object oriented, instant legacy code. It came into being thanks to a relentless hyper campaigns by Sun Microsystems in the middle of the dot-com bubble. It's kinds of like the Macaulay Culkin of programming languages. It was originally invented to create a better television remote that is officially launched for public use in 1996, and nobody's bothered to update the website ever since. Regardless, Java has been running on 3 billion gadgets and devices for the last 25 years, most of which are Blu-ray player. It's write once, run anywhere, which developers know actually means write once, debug everywhere. Remember that. Log4j and Fiasco. And also you can blame Java for that one. Still, Java has a great mascot, a little one-eyed monster named Duke, and people mostly love to hate it so much that it's inspired an entire class of programming languages. And programming languages designed to make Java better, like Groovy, Clojure, Scala, and Kotlin, just to name a few. Unfortunately, though, there is no curve. Java also inspired JavaScript, a language that has taken developers 25 years to make halfway decent at one time. So Java even tried to steal JavaScript job with applets on the web. Luckily, applet sucks so bad they made HTML, CSS, and JavaScript look like a good abstraction for building UIs. Now, when your company adopts Java, you will also want to adopt Oracle database. And so you can spend the next 20 years talking about migrating to Postgres while paying an ungodly amount of money that will be directly reinvested into these awesome sailing yachts. And to get started, set aside a few days to install the JDK, JRE, and JVM on your machines and devices. And it also recommended that you have a vertical monitor to read the error lags that are coming now. Before writing any code, say this with me: public static void main string args, public static voids main string arg. Now to say hello world, create a class. And Java forces you into object-oriented programming, which means you will want to read design pattern core to core before you go any further languages. Now it's time for your public static voids main string args, and then finally system.out.println with hello world. As you can see, we got a lot more boilerplate than something like to Python, which is a feature and definitely not a fundamental design flaw or anything. So you will want to start by writing and giant bloated class. Then your boss complains, break it into a post rank of deeply nested subclasses that will make it impossible to refactor. That next step is to require and raise quite from your job. And our life is short to be coding in Java man, and with that I think Java can get stuff done, and for that is deserves our respect. And with that, we have reached the end on the video. And if you have any questions, then let us know in the comment below. And if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And like last time, thanks for watching video, and I will